Alrighty, so trade review, haven't done one in a while, so figured why not. Um, yeah, let's get into it. So, here is my trade log. So we did no trades today. Zero trades today. I was looking at TYGO for an EP trade today. This was my only watch, and it never triggered. My entry on this would have just been the 1 minute opening range high, as always. And so forms of that 1 minute candle. This traded just massive volume. Never triggered the 1 minute high. Tried to come and ramp up intraday. Just got completely shit on from rejected VWAP. Never took out that 1 minute high, and then now post market drifting lower. So no new trades for me today. I am on a losing streak, as you can see. I've lost like 14 trades in a row or something stupid. My equity risk is down to 0.11%, so I haven't been risking much. I haven't had a single loss over 0.2 for like 0.35% on this losing streak. So my losses have been very small, and on that loss, my brokerage kind of fucked me up. Or actually, I think I over risked accidentally. But yeah, so I haven't gotten any traction, which means I can't size up. And so I've just been trading small. We keep grinding higher. I can't really control that. I would love a pullback. I tried shorting the market yesterday, and what do you know? Stocks have earnings, and we gap right up to a new all-time high. So I'm not even going to bother shorting anymore. I took like a 0.10% loss on that. I wasn't going to put any size into that thing. Stocks for tomorrow, I mean, I don't really want to take anything, but if I, had to find the setup, I think SMR looks pretty decent. Higher lows, lower highs. Linear move up. Not the worst thing in the world. Right on the 10. You've had like 5 days of sideways, so I think this looks decent. Not bad. So that looks okay. Open, linear move up, just pull back to the 10 moving average. Inside candle. If you get above that, the inside candle, maybe you could trade it. Volume is pretty dead, so possible trade there. And then as you can see, the pivot is pretty clean. You have this closed, you have this open, and you have the high. So that could be a level. Reddit has earnings tomorrow, so I could not even trade this if I wanted to, but it has a little range and it's gapping out of it. Maybe you could day trade this. Again, anything I would trade though would be on super small size because I'm not getting shit done. SOXL, semis continue just to grind higher. This looks pretty clean for a breakout over this. But with the QQQ gapping up 0.8% and then you have SOXL not budging, doesn't seem like a great recipe. Nonetheless, TSSI probably wouldn't trade this. NBIS wouldn't trade this. Mainly because this has just turned into a choppy piece of junk. Where's the momentum? You had momentum here, but since then there's been nothing. So I've kind of lost hope in this name. It's just turned to a choppy piece of shit, to be honest. And anytime you buy it, it just gets fucking sold back down. So TSSI, it's okay, but it's not that tight, to be honest. It's up, down, inside candle, but not the tightest, so I probably wouldn't trade this either. MBIS is a lot better. Probably I'd put MBIS up there. But so my main idea would be SMR and open, and I wouldn't trade with any size. At this point, I would go 1/10 size. Yeah, I would go 1/10 size at this point. I don't know. This market is pretty hard for me personally. You know, I was fully invested like back here, and you know, you would think the market keeps going up, my stocks would have went up, but no, my stocks went down. My stocks all stopped me out. Nothing ended up working. Everything made a 1 day move and then faded, but the market just grinded higher. So, not really sure what I'm supposed to do at this stage besides trade small if I'm going to trade at all. I'm just focused on the money I did make. I may as well keep it. Like, you know, I gave a shit ton of money back, unfortunately. Way more money than I should have gave back. And I should have made more I should have made way more money on the way up. Unfortunately, neither of those things happened, and I had a lot of mess ups, a lot of screw ups, a lot of learned lessons. And here we are now. And I can't. Um, I don't want to dig myself in a deeper hole. So I made money. I'll call that a blessing, I guess. And I don't want to give back anything more than I've already given back. And so I'm just trading small. Bitcoin's just fighting for its life on this 20-day. It's just stalling at this breakout. Can't seem to get above 120K. Gold breaking down now. Silver breaking down. You know? Not really sure what I'm supposed to do here. I got stopped out on my short. So it's trade small or do nothing for me. Even though we're at all-time highs, which sucks, but that's where I'm at. That's the stage I'm at. Let me know how you guys are doing. You know, if you're doing good, great. Happy for you. But definitely not my best performance personally. But it's all good. So thanks for watching. That's all I got. And yeah.